Hi, this is Leon, and I'm going to teach you in this video how to spell numbers using Excel without using Visual Basic. Um, Most of the Visual Basic programmers think that that is not possible. It is not possible to spell numbers using Microsoft Excel without a Visual Basic program. That is wrong. You can actually do that. It's difficult. The formulas that you require are not easy, but it is definitely possible. I just need to mention why would you be interested in this? Let's say that you don't know how to use Visual Basic. Obviously, that would be the first reason. But a second reason is if when you want to share a workbook, the other computer has a security setting of very high, then you wouldn't be able to use macros, which will disable the ability for you to use Visual Basic. And then you will need to use a program that runs just using Microsoft Excel formulas. So this program works independently of whether you can or you cannot use Visual Basic in your computer. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to be very accurate. I want you to write in the right cells the information. I have the formulas over here. I want you to copy and paste the formulas in the places where I am going to indicate in this video. In cell A1, I want you to type input. Then we will go to cell B2 and we'll put the word number. And in cell C2, we'll type the word word. Then we will go to cell J1 and we will type the word output. And now I want you to color the following cells. I want you to select cells A2, A4, A6, A8, A10, and A12 and color them in yellow. In yellow, over there. Then I want you to select cells E2 through E1 and let's color them in blue. And last of all, cell J2, let's color it in red. Okay, once that is done, we're going to proceed to put the numbers. So we just need to type number 0, 1, 2, and so on. And you'll type the words. I want you to leave 0. I don't want you to type the word 0. But for 1, I want you to type 1. For 2, I won't want you to use capital letters. Just use small letters. So in word we'll put 1 over there, then it would be 2 and so forth. So this would be very tedious in this video, so I prepare this in my sheet number 3. I'm just going to copy it and paste it. We are going to paste, I am pasting it in B3 through C30, so be careful with that. And this is the way it works. So the number 0 doesn't have a word on it, but from 1 to 20 you just type the words of the numbers. Then I want you to skip from 20 to 30, from 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. You don't need to continue to 100, 110. You just stop at 90. The next thing we need to do is to copy and paste the formulas. These formulas over here that I have a notepad are going to be available in the comment section of YouTube where this video is posted. So I'm going to select the formula. I want you to notice it here is E2, so we'll paste this formula in E2. Then we'll select the F2 formula. We'll paste it in F2 over here. Then G2. The formulas are a little bit difficult to understand. I'm not going to explain how the formulas work in this video, but if you have questions, I can answer the questions by email. My email is excelpossible@gmail.com. Excelpossible@gmail.com, and you can ask me all the questions you may have. Okay, so we're pasting all the formulas. Now I am in I2. Let's go to J2, the output over there. Then we go to E3, so it is one row down. E3. Then the formula for F3. Control copy. We paste it in F3. Let's go to G3. We copy it and paste it in G3. Then the formula in H3. we copy it and paste it in H3. And last of all, the formula in I3. We copy it and paste it in I3. This is how it should look like, very fast. So just verify that this is what you have in your sheet, and that's all. Then I want you to go to cell E2 and select from E2 until J3. Then you press Ctrl C, or you're going to copy, and you're going to paste them in E4. You'll paste it again in E6. You'll paste it in E8, then in E10, and then in E12. And this is how you're going to use the program. We're done with the program. Now let's say that in sheet number 2 you have a number. Let's say, for example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, which would be 1,234,567. And then you want to convert that number into words. So first you'll select sheet 1, and in input you'll put an equal sign. Then you'll select sheet 2 and select the number you want to convert into words. There, so we have the input over there. And I want you to see in output, we have the number there. So we just need to call that number in sheet 2. Let's say that we want that number in F6. So we put an equal sign in F6, and then we select the output, and we press enter. You see, 1,234,567. Then let's say that you have another number. Let's say, for example, you have 456, and you want to do the same. Let's paste it in D12, okay? So we go to sheet number 1. In input, we put equal and select the number. We press enter, and then go to sheet number 2. We put the equal sign wherever we want to paste the word. We go to sheet 1, select the output. And I want you to notice this: if you change the number, then it spells a different number. So it's a very versatile program. And it works without Visual Basic. So there you have it. That's how you program a number speller in Excel without Visual Basic. If you have any question, please contact me at excelpossible@gmail.com. Excelpossible@gmail.com. Thank you.